In the food world today, having the best dish, it doesn't always guarantee a win. How you actually connect with your customers is just as important as what's on the plate. So let's take a look at how a smart digital platform can take a local favorite and turn it into a brand that's ready to really, truly grow.
I mean, this is the big question, isn't it? So many restaurant owners and entrepreneurs dream about this. The idea of creating your very own platform, becoming a big name in the super competitive food delivery world. It's a huge goal. But how do you actually get there? How do you turn that big idea into a real working business?
Okay, so before we dive into the high-tech solutions, we've got to understand the problem they solve. So let's, for a second, step into the shoes of a typical restaurant owner. Let's see what the daily grind of running a business the old-school way really looks like. Just picture it, a small, local spot. The food is amazing, everyone who tries it loves it, but their success is literally trapped by the number of chairs they have. They could be serving so many more people, but they're stuck within their own four walls.
And this right here, this is the day-to-day chaos. The phone rings, someone scribbles an order on a notepad. What if you can't read the handwriting, or you miss one little detail? Well, that leads straight to a late delivery and a customer who's probably not coming back. And during that dinner rush, it's not just messy, it is pure stress. It's the kind of stress that can really hurt your business.
So, when you're dealing with that constant struggle, what's the next move? This is that critical moment. It's when a business decides to stop just getting through the day and starts thinking about how to actually grow for the future.
And here it is, the turning point. This isn't just about getting listed on some big third-party app and handing over a massive chunk of your profit. No way. This is about investing in their own system, a tool built just for their brand, their food, and their customers. It's all about taking back control.
And would you look at the impact? Check out how quickly things start to happen. This isn't some slow, gradual change. The day the app goes live, the growth starts. Within just 1 month, order numbers are up. By month 3, that's turning into a serious jump in revenue. And in only 6 months, they're not just busier, they're actually opening up new locations.
And if that timeline didn't make it clear enough, this one simple chart says everything. On the left, you've got the before, that limited manual trickle of orders. And on the right, that's the after, a massive, streamlined, predictable flow of business coming right through their own app. I mean, the difference is just night and day.
So let's really break down what happened here. Yeah, it starts with more orders, for sure, but the real magic is in how smooth everything becomes. Faster deliveries mean happier customers, right? And happier customers keep coming back. Plus, with your own app, you can launch a discount or a special deal with just one click. All of it all adds up to what every single business wants. More revenue you can count on.
Okay, so we've seen the incredible results, but now let's pull back the curtain and see how it actually works. What's the technology that's powering this whole transformation?
See, a modern food delivery platform isn't just one single app. It's a whole interconnected system. First, you have the customer app. That's your digital storefront. Then you've got the delivery partner app that tells your drivers exactly where to go. And finally, the admin dashboard. This is the command center where you see and control absolutely everything. They all have to work together perfectly.
Now think about it. Building this kind of complex 3-part system from scratch, that is a huge, huge job. It takes some serious expertise in app development and logistics and making something people actually want to use. And that's where having a specialized partner is, well, a complete game changer.
And this is exactly where a company like Goteso comes into the picture. They basically take that success story we just walked through and give you the technology to make it your reality. It doesn't matter if you're a brand new startup or a restaurant that's been around for years. So what's really important is that they start you with a rock-solid foundation. These features you see here, these aren't just nice-to-haves, they are the absolute must-haves. A super smooth ordering process, live tracking so customers aren't left wondering, secure payments, and a powerful dashboard to run the whole show. This is the engine. But having a strong engine is just the start. Once that's running, you can add features that give you a serious competitive edge. Think about it. You could create a marketplace with other local restaurants, build recurring revenue with subscription boxes, or keep customers coming back with a loyalty program. These are the tools that let you not just grow, but totally dominate your market. And this quote just nails it. It really sums up the whole idea. The goal isn't just to launch, it's to launch the right way from the very first day. Faster because the tech is already built, smarter because it's based on what works, and ready for growth because you know it can scale up with you.
So we'll end with this question.
After seeing that whole journey from total manual chaos to streamlined digital control, it's really the most important thing to think about. The path to growth is right there, and the tools are easier to get than ever before. So the only real question left is, are you ready to take that first step?